Hi guys, my name is Masood Ahmad. I'm a penetration tester, and today I have bring a very good roadmap for you, especially for those who is trying to enroll for OSCP and they want to just clear the OSCP. Okay, so basically these notes didn't belong to me. These notes are created by Ansha, Indian YouTuber, a penetration tester, engineer. He have very good skills over it, and he have already passed the OSCP. He have also YouTube channel. You can just visit it and subscribe it. His YouTube channel name is Beton Tech. So yeah, he have created each and everything. Like he have documented all the steps that what kind of stuff you need in order to clear the OSCP exams. As he have started from what does OSCP means, what is OSCP, with all the definitions and explanation that you can just go through it. I'll not waste your time by reading all this stuff. Okay, and you can also see what to learn in the course. So basically what you will learn in the OSCP course, these are the skills that you will need to learn, which contain Linux, antivirus bypass, information gathering, vulnerability scanning, web application attacks, AD, and a lot of other stuff. So and also he have mentioned that whom is this course for. Basically for infosec professionals, and then you should must have some basic penetration testing skills. It is for security professional, and this course is not at all for absolute beginners who have no prior knowledge in offensive security or even though in cyber security. Moreover, he also explained that there will be a 24-hour of exam where you will need to fully prepare for yourself. In short, if I told you that there will be approximately 5 of the machines, you will need to hack all of them, and you will have 24 hours. Okay, and the passing score is minimum 70 points out of 100, if I'm right. Yeah. So yeah, after that he explained each and everything. Like you can just go through it, and once you enroll for PWK course, by the way, PWK means penetration testing with Kali Linux. You will get PDF book from OffSec officially. You will get videos, you will get exercise, you will get labs where you can practice your skills there. Okay, and remember, you will need to buy a voucher, and the 90 days of voucher will cost you $1,500. Yeah. Okay. It is a bit costly, but this is what it is. As you know, the OSCP is also on demand certification, so it is not a joke for like once you before joining the OSCP course, you must have some basic knowledge about Windows, as he described here what kind of basic knowledge you need, and also Linux fundamentals, networking basics, web application basics, some of the programming basics, some of the cryptography basics. Once you're done with it, you are now good to go. Moreover, for practical skills, where you will need to practice your skills, where practical labs, I'm talking about practical labs, you can join Hack the Box, OffSec official labs, and try Hack Me. T-General, NetSec focuses, it is recommended to do all of them. So they have penetration testing with Linux P1, V1, V1, V2, and V3, the latest one. So here, they have mentioned all the boxes for Windows as well as for Linux. These are basically lab-based boxes where you will need to hack and do privilege escalation, all those stuff. So you can just go through them, you can just solve them one by one. Definitely it will take time, but it will enhance your skill, and it will create an ability in you to prepare yourself for OSCP exams. Okay, and moreover, if you stuck and you need some walkthroughs, you can just go to through the videos like IPSec YouTube channel, IPSec, Hackersploit, this one guy too. And if you are interested in articles, you can just go through infosec write-ups, hacking article. There is a lot on YouTube. Definitely you will go through all the videos, PDF files, penetration testing with Kali Linux labs, each and everything. Okay, not don't only rely on PWK labs. You will need to do all the rest of the labs to that. the professionals mentioned here from T channel. After that, you will need to learn the tools for scanning, enumeration, password cracking, privilege escalation, initial access, web based attacks, some active directory tools, tools for providing, tools for general knowledge. So definitely you will go through all these tools. You must have some good grip over it. You should know it. And then the most important thing is note making. You should must create your notes while doing all this stuff to prepare yourself for OSCP. The one of the most, my favorite one is also to take note is OneNote. So you can just download it in window. Anyway, you can just see when I created my course, I also teach ethical hacking penetration testing. So you can just go through it and you can see how I documented each and everything for myself, and literally you can just do for yourself too. Okay, for notes making. Okay. After that, he have also mentioned that how you can create your notes. Like I'll provide you the link of this PDF file, so just don't worry about it. Then he have mentioned that how from here you can learn the active directory. You can learn from YouTube playlist, from Pentester Academy, from Udemy too. If you click on Udemy, you can see that there is one of the best course on Udemy. You can just enroll yourself in order to make sure to clear your active directory concept, as it is a little bit hard as compared to the rest of the stuff. You can practice your skills on Hack the Box. These are the pro labs. Okay, so you can just go through it, and beyond the course, for blogs, you can just go through hack tricks, hacking articles, ifsec.rocks. You can just go through their blogs. It will definitely give you a lot of knowledge. And at the end, like your call next specification should must be, at least you should must have 4 cores, 8 GB of RAM. Yep, so he have mentioned everything. I mean, you can just go through it. And the last one, step is one of the most step. You should must have the ability to create reports. They will provide you the official template. After hacking into all the labs, on the second day you will need to create your templates, in which you will explain what you did, and you don't need to write too much. You will need to put all the possible screenshots, and at the end you just go through the report 2 or 3 times in order to make sure everything you have written is in a proper way and everything is fine. Okay, and what is the professional strategy? As he have explained here, you should must come with some basic penetration testing CTF skills. You should go with 1 year subscription. You should go through all the videos, PDF and PWK labs, and so full day rest before exam and victory. I hope you have learned a lot, and so basically you can just go through it. Okay, I'll make sure to provide you all these notes, as well as we have the official, you can say, documentation from OffSec for PWK 20 or 200, or you can say pen 200 penetration testing with Kali Linux. This is their official syllabus. You can just go through this one too in order to make sure that what you are going to learn in OSCP. So yeah, all the best. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer you. Take care.